Abangan niyo yung mga video niya by 2 years from now. Siya, what's your vlog?
Mrs. O Vlog.
Hey guys, what's up? This is JE once again and welcome back to VLOGCETERA. And today, since medyo sunny, although it's still makulimlim yung kalangitan, but we are going to try to stroll sa beach area, and then a little later I'm also going to give you yung short lang na description kung ano pa rin yung mga requirements of going here to Boracay. But before that, let's go there bago pa umulan. So just like I promised, I'm going to give you a walking tour here. Pero good luck kung naririnig nyo ako kasi may mask, tapos ang lakas ng hangin. So nandito kami ngayon sa Henan because paalis na yung isa naming friend. May vlog din siya. What's your vlog?
Mrs. O Vlogs.
Ayun, Mrs. O Vlogs. Pero tamad siya mag-edit. But we'll expect Boracay vlogs, di ba?
Yeah.
Mrs. O Vlogs, so how was your Boracay experience?
Super enjoy. Grabe. Saya-saya.
When was the last time you were here? 2017? No?
Yes, 2017. Hindi pa ganito. Nung before rehabilitation.
Hindi pa mahangin.
Hindi pa mahangin. Panatag ang panatag ang dagat.
But overall, how was your Boracay ngayon? Mas maganda?
Mas maganda, mas malinis. Less crowd. Yung shore, gandang lakaran kasi walang mga, di ba?
Yes. At ano pa yung change? Nakasuot tayo.
Oo, yun lang. Nakasuot ng mask. Pero okay naman.
Hindi halata pagpangit.
Basta pa rin sa Boracay.
Yeah.
Travel na. Wow!
Endorser. Abangan niyo yung mga video niya by 2 years from now. Tsaka niya may
Ma-upload ko din sila.
Bye-bye! Have a safe trip! Hey there again. So we are here sa Station 1 na. So it's clearer yung view dito. Mas konti yung basura. So you see that? It's cleaner here. This is Station 1. But still, malakas pa rin yung alon. At andito lang kami sa gilid. Kasi ang layo na naaabot ng alon. Tried it here in Bulabog, the other side of Boracay Island, and look how peaceful it is here. Yung mga naglalaglagang dahon, but walang alon masyado. We are trying to stroll now. Which is dirt. Look at that. Ang dumi dahil pero at least medyo bumaba na ngayon yung tubig. Medyo may mga nakakaligo-ligo na doon. But still, ang dumi. There you go guys, so that is all about the walking tour na hindi masyadong walking tour kasi ang hirap maglakad sa White Beach. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click that notification button there at the bottom so that you'll get notified for all other videos that I am going to upload only here in VLOGCETERA.